Pakistan did not have rock star, but they had Imran Khan, star cricketer, playboy and role model. Pakistan leading opposition politician Imran Khan, his legendary sport career and colorful private life have always kept him in the limelight, and he has attracted the love and devotion of countless fans. But he is more than just a animatic sport superstar. Last year, the country's then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif was arrested and buried from the politics on corruption charge. He is now being sentenced to 10 years in prison. This has pushed Imran Khan to even stronger position ahead of the 25 July election. And some recent polls show his party is gaining more ground. So let's take a look at the whole picture. Imran Khan was born in 1952 in Lahore into a well-off Pashtun family. He received an Oxford University education studying politics and economics, but his real passion was sport. He began, as most great do, playing at a very early age in Pakistan and then continue in England. Even today, the more than 25 years after his retirement, he is still considered one of the greatest cricketers of all the time. He led Pakistan to in first ever World Cup title 1992, playing a pivotal role in the final against England. Then at the peak of his career, the retired and 4 years later entered politics by forming his party, the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. But his popularity in sport did not translate into politics at last, not right away. In fact, when he first ran in the 1997 election, his party failed to win a single seat. Khan is a central role on the political spectrum, but many people are confused by his political lining because apparently he often alters his opinion based on his audience. His party get their strongest support from the youth and urban middle class. They have run in 3 elections and are slowly becoming recognized as a real politics force. Terrorism is still a huge challenge for Pakistan, and Khan's novel approach to the fighting it despite the wide criticism. He thinks that talking with the Taliban is a way to go. He even earned a nickname for a Taliban Khan. His party performed in KPK, the province the governance is still falls short of its electoral promise. According to many people, although there have visible reform in education and health care, he is not a very experienced in governance or diplomacy, but Khan is confident about his approach. He saw he will wipe out corruption, being in foreign investment and provide better jobs to the youth. He also promised change in agriculture, education field and wide-ranging reform in tax collection. His party manifesto emphasizes the importance of internal peace as well. Khan PTI released a roadmap on foreign policy well ago with a new strategy for a conflict resolution and want to improve relation with Pakistan, eastern and western neighbors. Resolving the Kashmir issue of also agenda of Khan party, but now he planned to do that is still up in the air. In the past 24 years, he has married 3 times. First to Jemima Goldsmith, the daughter of Jewish billionaire who converted to Islam before their union. Then to Reham Khan, journalist and film producer. And now Bushra Manaika, a woman whom he refers to as a spiritual advisor. And Faith Heller, the couple get married in February this year. With all the changing faces, many people are curious to see now he would be as head of nation, but in order to Pakistan witness Imran Khan, political leader in action. If you like my video, then subscribe, like and share my channel Big Knowledge. In Big Knowledge, I have provide to you knowledge. Please subscribe my channel and like.